Hello everyone, today I want to start a course about the JavaScript. In this video I will show you tools which I will be using and how to start working with the JavaScript. We will create basic file structure, link our script file to the HTML file, and display simple hello world in browser console. I hope you enjoy. I will be using Google Chrome as my web browser. I'm using it every day in my work and also at home. In my opinion, it is the best web browser and has great developer tools. You can download Chrome from this site over here. Second tool I will be using is the text editor. I prefer Atom, but you can choose whatever you want, like Sublime Text, Brackets or Visual Studio Code. All of them are good, but I just use Atom. If you want, you can download Atom from here, and of course it's free. Okay, so after installing Chrome and also your favorite text editor, we can create a basic project structure. I have created a project directory right here. Let's right click on the project folder, select new file, and name this new file index.html. What is great about Atom, we can just type HTML and hit enter, and Atom will generate for us a basic HTML structure. Let's go and open this site in our browser. So right click on our index.html file, show in Explorer, right click on the file, open with, and select your web browser, mine is Chrome. And here's our site. And to make sure that's our site, let's use h1 tag and type hello on site, just like this. Remember to save your file, go to the web browser and hit Ctrl R or refresh button. Next step is to create a script file. So let's select new file, name it script.js, just like this. And to display output in the console, we'll use something that is called console.log, and we'll pass the string some text. So say hello JavaScript. Okay, let's save the file, go to our web browser, refresh the site, and open the console by hitting F12 in the Chrome. Here we have our console, but we cannot see any output. That is because we didn't link the script.js file to the index.html file, so let's do it now. Let's go under the h1 tag, and we will use for linking the script tag. Remember to close it. Now we will use the attribute called src, and we'll pass the name of our script file just like this. Save the file, go to the browser, hit Ctrl R, and here's our output. Okay, so thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed and see you next time.